Hi. So we make that C shape with the hand. We come just behind the areola until we can find the kind of knobbly bit. It feels a little bit like peas under the skin. We squeeze the thumb and finger together and we push back towards the chest. We should start to see a bit of colostrum collecting. If not, we release, squeeze and push back towards the chest. So we're not dragging or pulling. We're not pumping. We just squeeze together and push back towards the chest.